2015 Volvo XC90 or any other Volvo with the same design. We're gonna do the pistons. Alright, so we're gonna have to remove a few things. So come on, let's get it. Okay, what you wanna do now is I'm gonna grab one of this, come through here, and probably here. I'm gonna have to open this with through here with a flat pack like this. Come off right there. You have a 8 millimeter, and then this panel is gonna come off. Okay. Now this guy, you're gonna pop it from the top first. That, and then pull it up. Okay, because you have these nails. You see? So you pop it on top first. That, pull it up. It's gonna be a little bit hard, but don't be afraid. Okay. Here are the pistons. Right there. Then you see this little guy. You're gonna lap take it. Okay. There's a 13 in there. Let me see him on the other side. Because we wanna give it some leverage. You know what I'm saying, so we don't, because the ceiling is fragile, and if you're not careful, you're gonna like wrinkle it. You're gonna like crack it. You know what I'm saying. Then this guy, which is right here. You're just gonna pull it down. Okay, I don't think you need to remove these ones. I think you have enough space here. You see them? 1, 2. Okay. So let me get on this side. Okay, that's the one over there. So the guys. So I'm gonna put this one on this side, this one on the other side. You see it, right? So that's how you're gonna get it out. It tells you right here, front, left hand, which is this thing goes to the front, and it's on the left side. All right. This is a new one. Just gonna push it in, and that's it. You're gonna go in like this because you have this plate. Okay, so you're gonna put it in like this and pop it in. Get it? All right, just to make it easier on yourself, what you gotta do is it's not gonna align here, okay? So what you gotta do is push the gate higher, and it's gonna align. Then you're gonna need a little help with a pry bar. And that should be it. With this side, this one is easier. This is the passenger side. The other one was the driver's side. I don't know. I don't know where to go. Where did it go? Anyways, it's on the floor. This one is easier to easier than the other one. You don't have to like pry it to level it and push it in. You just gotta push the gate a little bit higher, push it in. You're probably gonna need a second set of hands. And that's it, put everything back. Know what I'm saying? Hope you like the video. Catch me in the next one. Stu, boom, clock it now. Yeah.